Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover the quinolone antimicrobials. As you have seen in the previous video of the antimicrobial drug classification based on the mechanism of action, the DNA gyrase was inhibited by this, that is the Ful-Kumari or the fluoroquinolones. So a quinolone can be classified as fluoroquinolones and non-fluoridated quinolone. So firstly, we will see the fluoroquinolones, that is the one with the flowers. So this Ful-Kumari or a flower queen has flocks of animals. So this flocks of animals is going to give us the suffix floxacin. These are ox. So floxacin is the suffix. So now to remember the drugs which comes under fluoroquinolones, this flower queen or Ful-Kumari has two generations in her family. So firstly, these are the first generation and the second generation. So the fluoroquinolones are subdivided into first generation drugs and second generation drugs. Now we will focus on the first generation. The first generation of the flower queen works in the Wipro company. Wipro company is OP. OP instead of OT, that is operation theatre, they write OP. So Wipro will give us the drug Cipro. Wipro, Cipro, floxacin, as we already know, it's the suffix. So ciprofloxacin. OP or OT, O is ofloxacin. P, instead of single letter P, we are going to write PE. PE will give us the drug P-floxacin. And when they are working in the Wipro operation theatre, they drink Nor soup. So the other drug is the norfloxacin. Now we will see the second generation of the flower queen. The second generation of the flower queen or fluoroquinolones, they could be either a lame person or they could be star of the family. So lame is going to give us the drug lomifloxacin and star floxacin is starfloxacin or sparfloxacin. So lame, lome, star, spar. Okay, then you already know this flower queen is wearing very flowery dress. So similarly, the second generation is interested in wearing a maxi flowery dress. A maxi dress. So maxi, moxie, floxacin, the suffix. As they are very much interested into flowers, they eat the vegetable which has flowers in it. So the vegetable is cauliflower. Okay, so the drug is, instead of coli, it's prulifloxacin. Pruli. So as we know, the flower quinolones or the flower queen is very much interested into flowers and colors. So the most colorful chocolate or toffee is the gems. So the second generation eat gems also. So gems will give us the drug gemifloxacin. And the phone they use is the Vivophone. So the drug is levofloxacin. So these are the drugs which comes under second generation. So friends, when you compare this flowery queen with a non-flower queen, that is the fluoroquinolones with non-fluoroquinolones or non-fluorinated quinolones, you see this girl is or queen is shorter or is dwarf. So the word for dwarf or of short height is Nati and her surname is Dikshit. So she is inspired by Madhuri Dikshit. So she is Nati Dikshit and the drug is nalidixic acid. Instead of Nati, we are going to write Nali, Dikshit, Dixik, and Acid. Okay friends, we are done with the quinolone antimicrobial drugs classification. Thank you for watching.